In the last video, I explained that おいしそうだ and おいしそうだ means looks delicious and おいしいそうだ
and おいしいそうだ
means I've heard it's delicious. And my friend Sean said, doesn't it mean delicious soda? そうだ
おいしいそうだ and おいしいそうだ can mean a delicious soda and I've heard or someone says it's delicious. They sound totally the same.
So we can say, Google によると、ここのソーダは美味しいそうだ。ほんと、美味しそうだね。いただきます。美味しそうだ。あ、美味しそうだね。美味しそうだだ。Don't worry about it too much. This is just an example of the pitch accent. Japanese people usually understand the meaning by its context. So good luck with your studies. 頑張ってください。